much for signing up for and attending today's webinar on profitable content creation. I was honored to be Michelle's guest, and thank you so much for being a great audience. Now, gotten a lot of questions since the webinar ended, and they kind of all come down into a what if question. And basically, what if I can't do this? What if it's too hard? What if something goes wrong? Well, you know what? A lot of people will tell you nothing will go wrong, just do it, get it out there, you'll make $1 million. Well, you know what? Stuff goes wrong all the time. And so what I thought I'd do is answer that question, what if something goes wrong, and show you the three main things that can typically go wrong when you're creating your content, and then what you can do about it. So you'll know what to do about it in advance, so you don't have to worry about that, and you can keep, or you can get going. You can keep going too, but you can get going and keep going. How about we do both of those with your content creation? So here's the three areas where things can typically go wrong. It's usually with your title, or with your message, or with your CTA, which is a call to action. So let's take each one of these things, your title, your message, and your call to action, and break them down a little bit, talk about what could go wrong, and how to fix it in advance. How about that? So here we go. First of all, your title. Usually that will show up when you're not getting a whole lot of views on an article, say in a content directory, or in a video on YouTube, for instance. Okay? And so usually the thing that is wrong, or where you're getting messed up with the title, something that could go wrong, is the benefit is not clear enough. Okay? Now, the biggest mistake people make around titles is just coming up with one title and using it. I like to create multiple titles and then pick one, pick the best, and then I use those phrases maybe later on in the content. Whatever title you choose, in addition to following the keywords, benefits, keywords formula, you gotta make sure the benefit is clear. So as you're first starting out, you may want to show the benefit in the title to other people, run it by others to see if it's clear, so it's not just clear to you. Go in there and make sure the benefit is clear and strong and compelling, enough to make them stop what they're doing and consume your content. Okay? So one of the things that can go wrong with the title is the benefit isn't clear, so you want to make that benefit very, very clear. Now, the content body, whether it's text, audio, or video, I call your message. And one of the things that can go wrong with your message is you've done a whole lot of what and a whole lot of why, but you haven't given any how. Now, I know you've been told to give the what and the why and none of the how. You've got to give a little bit of the how to show folks that you can help them, whether that's in text, audio, or video. So one of the things I recommend in your message is that you include at least one gold nugget of immediately actionable, usable information. And you really can't give away the store by doing that. And my goodness, if you could, then your store is just not big enough, and we got to work on that, see? So what you want to do is deliver to them, whether it's in text, audio, or video, one clear gold nugget of information that they can take action on right away. And that will really help people take the next steps, which is actually the third thing that can go wrong is your call to action. That's when you're asking them to take their next success steps. Maybe sign up for a freebie, join a webinar, even go to a sales page and invest with you. Okay? One of the biggest mistakes I see people make is they have content and then the giveaway or the next step is not really related either to the content you just delivered or to a product or a resource you may want them to be involved with later. You want it to be related to what you just delivered, and it's perfect. The best way to do it is if it's a sample of your content. For instance, my 3 mistakes template that's a giveaway that helps build my list community. Many of you probably got on this webinar that way. Is a sample of my 21 profitable content creation templates. Okay? So it also needs to be, in addition to be related, both to the content that was just delivered and to a resource of yours, you want it to be a no-brainer. You want it to be so good, so cool, so helpful to them that it's going to be a no-brainer for them to get. Okay, like if you've just read something about content creation and I offer you a 3 mistakes template that shows you what to do, that's a no-brainer. Hey, I want that. Okay, so those are the 3 things that could go wrong: your title and what to do to fix it, your message and what to do to fix it, and your call to action and what to do to fix it, and getting your content out there, making a difference in the world part of the world you're called to serve, is why I created the 21 Profitable Content Creation Templates system. So it's designed to help you unleash your content, to master powerful content creation templates, become a recognized expert in your niche, enjoy the prestige of the new author without all the hassles and hoops you got to jump through to write a book, to build authority in your niche, create a loyal following as well. If that's what you want, this is specifically designed for you. And here's how we'll go about doing it. You'll get 21 powerful content creation templates. You'll get the Get Started Here module, so you'll always know where to get started and you'll always know what to do next. With each template, you'll get a graphic with formulas, you'll get step-by-step instructions, and a look-over-my-shoulder video for each template, and a first example, which is content created by me for each template, which is done 21 times, so it's a whole other course within a course. And then your second example is content created by one of my top students for each template. See, with this, folks, you're getting the exact same system that I personally used to help me go from 0 to 20K a month in just under 3 months when I went full-time online back in 2007. Now, that's not an income claim. That's not a promise. I don't know how well you'll do. I don't know how hard you'll work or how hungry you are. You may not get any results at all if you don't do anything at all. That I can pretty much guarantee. You may get results that are less than this, or maybe you'll get more. I don't know. So what's your investment? Now, folks, this works in any niche, and you get to create content in text, audio, and video. And this system could easily go for $5.97 or more, but it's way more affordable than that. Just 3 investments of only $77, or just 1 investment of $197, and you get to save $34. But it gets better, folks. The first one to come on board gets a 30-minute consult with me in the next week. And I know when this video goes out, so I'll know when that happens. The first 7 to come on board get extra time on their phone action session with me at Profitable Content Creation. Now, if you want to, discover how to create prospect and profit-pulling content, create authority, build trust, and have content that helps you sell, you want to go to profitablecontentcreation.com. There's a link right there on the video slide, and it'll also be in a button below this video. Now, it still gets even better. I'm offering you the best guarantee ever. Use all 21 modules and the bonuses and put it to work. Then take an extra 4 weeks after that to put it to work. If by the end of that time you decide it's not for you, just ask me for a refund and we'll give you your money back. No questions asked. And you can still keep everything. No wiggle clauses, no silly stuff. But Jeff, what if somebody rips you off? Well, that may happen. And you know, entrepreneurial karma, they've got to live with, and that'll come back around. And they'll get customers like that. So, you know, don't do that. No silly stuff. Your word is gold, folks. But it still gets even better. You get a bonus of 21 prospect and profit-pulling ways to repurpose your content so you can finally work smarter instead of harder and repurpose your content into multiple marketing messages and multiple information products. And it even gets better still with another bonus, which is a one-on-one phone action session with me so you can benefit from my 20 years of unleashing and cashing in on my content. And you'll learn the same strategies. So let's just recap this. You'll get 21 content creation templates, all the formulas, all the instructions, look over my shoulder videos, repurposing power secrets bonus, one-on-one phone action session bonus. Now this is the only place this will ever be offered at this small an investment. 3 easy investments of $77, or you can save an additional $34 by making 1 investment of just $197. You get the best guarantee ever, and all the risk is on me, folks. Now, this offer is good through Sunday night at midnight. and either it'll go up in price or some of the bonuses will come down. You can't get this anywhere else. Now listen, think about this. You've watched, if you made it this far, you've watched this entire presentation, and you want to create a successful online business with an end-to-end, step-by-step system. And you know this is an excellent value. Take advantage of this incredible discount, the amazing bonuses, and the can't lose guarantee right now at profitablecontentcreation.com. Either use this link right here in the slide and type it into your browser, or you can click on that button below this video, and I invite you to go get this stuff at profitablecontentcreation.com and go use this stuff. And I can't wait for us to talk soon.